I always felt like my consciousness was moving in waves. One was deep and another one was dreaming and the other one was awake.
I was somewhere. I really like it.
Some vibrations were I could feel throughout my body.
I could feel some of the thoughts come up, like I was transported to some place.
I kind of sometimes felt like I wasn't in my body. I couldn't feel my body at all. This was an amazing experience.
Those sounds extraordinary. It was really beautiful. More and more people should know about this.
We would have missed this totally relaxed. You can make out from our face itself, right?
That it's a current passing through the body, and I could see myself floating and enjoying and feeling the vibrations.
Such sessions release and harmonize the mind, body, and spirit. The body is held together by sound. The presence of disease indicates that some of the sounds have gone out of tune. Corporate wellness doesn't have to be consisting solely of health scans, gym memberships, and reimbursements. There are more creative ways of cultivating a healthy work environment and a corporate culture that promotes teamwork and cooperation, enhancing productivity. Stress and health issues in modern living are material threats to individuals and businesses. Meditation and sound healing are now being embraced by more and more organizations of all sizes to improve the productivity, health, and wellness of employees, and as a strategy to help foster interconnectivity, communication, teamwork, creativity, and innovation, resulting in happier and efficient employees. Sound therapy is a holistic treatment that uses sounds and vibrations at different frequencies to induce a deep state of meditation. Such sessions are called sound baths, since sound is said to wash over you. It can alter brain functions by addressing mental health problems such as depression, anxiety, fear, addiction, improved sleep, less chronic pain and blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and a lower risk of heart disease are all advantages of sound healing. Sound healing therapy or sound meditation is one of the top wellness trends at the moment, and not without cause or evidence. Embrace it today to create and maintain an effective life, work, health balance.